What's good, gang? It's your boy two-time Moto TV, and we back with another video. Guys, today we're gonna be taking a POV drive in the 1990 Mustang GT. She is for sale. It's gonna probably be my last drive that I do take with her. So you guys just go ahead and get a glimpse of her one more time before I put it on the marketplace, because we probably won't see her but a few more times. You know, we might do some more vids on the car of how to replace stuff, because I do have an archive of videos of things that we did replace on this Mustang. And also we're gonna get back to the bet, because she's in hibernation right now, but she's still looking good, man. No issues with her. But yeah, man, we're gonna go forth and get a whole nother Mustang. I'm shooting for the 90 to 93. So I do love this 90, man. It's a gorgeous car. It just has a little bit too much rust for me to take on that kind of project, and that's not the kind of things that I want to do on this channel, because I'm not a welder. Yes, I will one of these days learn how to weld, guys, but it is a lot harder than what y'all think, because I attempted it before and I almost went blind doing it. Even though I had a helmet, I still just didn't know what I was doing. So that's another topic for another day, man. We're gonna do some POV driving in this car, personal view, for those who don't know what POV means. So I'm gonna strap my GoPro on, man. We're gonna take a little ride around the block. It ain't gonna be nothing too serious, but I do want to give y'all a ride in the Mustang. And the work that I was getting done to it the other day, it was a alternator wire that was fried, that wasn't allowing the car to charge. So I done went through like 2 or 3 batteries, but now that's all taken care of. Also got my rear brakes changed, which is something else that I did do in another video, but I changed the wheel cylinders because they was leaking. But I went on ahead and got the brakes changed while the guy had it on the lift. I got my exhaust button up. She sounds so good now. She's not loud and obnoxious like how she was before. She's a lot quieter. I'll give y'all a little shot of the video of how she actually sounded when I was driving around, and it was horrible, guys. Also, I got a smog delete, which he deleted all of the hoses that went to the smog pump, and a few other knickknacks here and there, man. Nothing else too major that I can actually think of. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and hop right into this video, man. First person point of view, driving the Mustang GT 1990. Say goodbye to her, because she is up for sale. Anybody want it, contact me in the comments below. Right. Let's go ahead and take the Red Fox for a little ride. See what she talking about. Yo, she sound way quieter, way smoother. Burning rubber, guys. She is burning rubber. Got a little too happy in first gear. All in all, guys, as y'all seen, man, it's a very fun car to drive, but I do need something else, man, to start on as a project. I done already done enough to this car, man, that where the next person that get their hands on it, they only gotta do like little minor stuff like fix the rust and a few little other minor adjustments. Also with the transmission is missing third gear, so the transmission may have to get revamped or remanufactured with the third gear. Every other gear is so smooth. I mean, it doesn't scrape any other gear. For some reason, I'm locked out of third gear, and that's common with these Mustangs. So for guys that do get it, man, they gonna probably slap a T5 or something in there like that, man. That's what I would do. But that's about all it needs, man. A transmission, and then fix the rust, and you got a perfectly running Fox body Mustang. There is no motor knocks, there's no ticking or any other, you know, noise. So I mean, you can use some struts and some shocks and things like that, because it is an older car. Everything is original with the car. It only has 99,000 miles on it. So yeah, man, you know, a few things here and there, man, for the next person to build off on that actually wants to deal with that kind of stuff. You know, I let that be for them. See, I'm a different kind of builder that where I don't care about how the interior looks, exterior. I can fix all that because I'm gonna revamp it and make it to my taste. I'm not gonna make it funky and stupid with big rims like how the Crown Vic is. Well, the Crown Vic ain't stupid, but you know what I'm saying. Y'all get the point. But yeah, man, I'm gonna keep the next thing that I get nice and clean, man. I want that joker clean and fast. So that's what we got going on at the moment. This car is for sale. Don't know yet what price I want to post it for, but I do want to get a little bit more than what I paid for it, because I do have money into the car as it sits right now. So like I said, there was a lot of other issues, like the car didn't have any brakes, the exhaust wasn't buttoned up, it had rusty headers and a few other things. So I addressed all of that taken care of. The car has brakes front and back. Parking brake is good to go. Everything else is good to go with the car. So I'm gonna wash it up, I'm gonna wax it, and then, man, this would be a great project for somebody else to start on, man, because they really don't have much to do besides fix the rust and slap a T5 in here, and this joker is balling. Y'all already seen the POV view, and this thing a move, man. It has a 303 cam, aluminum drive shaft, head work, which I don't know exactly what was done with the heads, but I was told that it has head work, and a lot of other things, man, a lot of other modifications that I'm probably just not listing right now. But yeah, man, this is a great fast running vehicle for what it is and in its time. So if any of y'all want it, man, y'all hit me up in the comments below, and we can figure something out with that. You guys gonna want to probably put your own spoiler on here. The wheel tail is what belongs on here. I'm trying to go with like a Cobra R spoiler or something like that. So the next Mustang that I do get, I'm gonna have to delete that spoiler, the wheel tail, and put the Cobra R spoiler, which is what I want on there, because a lot of them don't come with that now unless it's a Cobra, and you're gonna really spend a lot of money on that. So I ain't trying to go that route. I'll just make it a Cobra replica. And yeah, man, great running car. You guys seen the interior already, man. For those of y'all that follow a lot of my videos, which the car is locked at the moment, I'm so stupid. But yeah, man, check out my other videos about the car, and you guys can see the interior and how good a shape that this car is in, besides the rust up underneath the engine bay. Yeah, man, that concludes this video. Two-time Moto TV out, man. And until next time, peace.